Hey babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are gonna do bacon Valentine's goodies. We got strawberry covered chocolate, but jello inside of it. It's like a little twist. And then we're gonna make a little cake. I'm excited for the cake because I'm gonna try cut it into heart pieces and decorate it. So these are the strawberries. I got 2 batch. Look how beautiful they look. Nice and big. They look really good. So that's what we're gonna start with. Alright, so with this, we're gonna cut it upwards. Kind of nervous for this part. Like a boat. And then we're gonna scoop. Don't want to go too deep, but like deep enough where the jello can sit. You know? Oh yeah. Okay, I've done a couple already. I feel like I already got the hang of it on how deep I should do it. So I went down first. And then went this way. And there's that cord. Like that. And then I'm gonna go again. Just make sure everything's out. I'm not out, but like cut. And I'm gonna grab a spoon. Normally people have like one of those melon ball scoopers. Those are probably better to use, but we don't have one. Boom.
Go me, go me, go me, go me.
I finally cut half of my strawberries. The other half is for my cousins. But this is what they're gonna look like. For bowling. For jello, you put it on a stove, boil water, put it in and stuff. But the video, they just put it in a microwave. Alright, we got the warm water. So now we're gonna put the jello in. I got a raspberry kind because I don't like strawberry jello. And I'm gonna mix and mix and mix. Mix and mix and mix. Now time for the secret ingredient.
Get it, girl. Get it, girl.
I also got the raspberry kind, so I'm not mixing 3 different types of flavor. I am old enough. I know I have baby face, but let's just say when I turn 30, my face is gonna look 20. I don't know how much I should add. Just do it. I think that's enough. That was a whole bunch. Okay. Mix. And then I'm gonna grab the turkey base. I think it's called turkey base, right? I don't know. After you're done mixing, I'm gonna get it good. Why did it not stick? I'm gonna grab one of my strawberries. Put it in. Oh, it's overflowing. I can't wait for how this tastes. Hey, I'm about to eat some goodies. I know you can't see that far, but stick with me, okay?
So put them in the fridge, then squirt the stuff in.
I feel like a surgeon giving them blood. Here's strawberries. Here's some blood. Need some blood?
It's my blood!
No? Okay. Okay, here's the cake stuff. We got red velvet. I thought, why not? Because it's Valentine's Day. I don't like that sound. Alright. So the wonderful Uncle Ryan got the sticker off for me. Thank you. So now the ingredient is 1 cup of butter, 2.5 cups of veggie oil, and 3 eggs. I've never seen a cake that has 3 eggs. Normally it's like 2, but whatever. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay. Big chug. 1 cup of butter. This is the cup. This is the vegetable oil. There's 1 for that. Oh, it's red, it's red. And then the egg.
What are you on? Like, for real, what the fuck are you on? Like, what medicine do you take? Because it's like really crazy. It's giving crazy. Like,
there's 3. Yeah, mix and mix, mix and mix.
You done?
I think she's done. I think she's done. Are you, like, medically speaking?
I'll probably get copyrights from the music playing, but let me tell y'all something. Anything I'm doing, I gotta have music playing. It's like, it controls this side of my brain, so this brain can process. I don't know how to describe it, but that's the best way I can describe it. I don't know. Alright, everything is ready. I have the cake. Everything's nice and big. I got my heart cut out. I just gotta wait 30 minutes for it to cool down. Right now, I'm gonna do the regular chocolate covered strawberries. Alright, so now the cake is cold. I have my heart sheet here. I'm gonna try to cut it out to make a heart. Remove. It won't come out. Look how cute that looks. Yeah! Look at that! It is missing a little piece, but I did that, y'all. I did that.
Fuck Valentine! Fuck Valentine, bitch! Fuck Valentine, bitch! You ain't get no candy.
Okay. I did just check on my strawberries, the jello ones. They are almost done, but like half of it dripped out. So I don't know how people made it look so easy. You guys will see in a minute. Oh, probably like after I'm done decorating. But I can't wait to decorate. Okay, so let's ice this bitch. That should be it. First things first. Oh yeah, good icing. I think the worst part about icing in a cake is that sometimes it doesn't smear as you want it to be. Like the crumbles and stuff. Let's start right here. Oof. Oof. This is rough. This is rough. be stressing. Okay. So I decided to go with the small one. It definitely helped a lot. Like, look at that. It smoothed it out a little better. I don't know how exactly I'm gonna decorate it, but we find out. That's cute. Do it. My fingers turning black. I'm kind of digging it. Should I make it more drippy? Like a vampire heart? I think I'm gonna do that. There's that so far. Are these edibles? I don't freaking know. Little rhinestone things on the side. Like crap. Let me just. Looks like Edward just sprinkled some of his glitter all over it.
I'm a sparkly bitch.
Holy cow! So the strawberry jello took like 2 to 3 hours, but look how they came. You see the jello inside of them. So the only thing we have to do now is chocolate them. Hopefully they don't fall apart or anything like that. How was school today?
Good.
Anything fun happen?
No. Fun! I watched a movie though.
Oh, what type of movie?
Horrible movie.
Huh?
Horrible movie.
What was the movie about?
You.
I wish I would have been famous.
Yeah, right. Nobody would even watch it.
Okay.
I'll watch it.
Aw.
Is it creepy?
No.
Yeah.
All right. First dip.
I want to see you dip it.
I'm gonna dip it. Oh yeah.
That looks good.
Oh yeah, this one's a good one.
What? Yeah, that's a good one.
And here are my jelly shot strawberry chocolate. They turn out so good. I can't wait to taste them.
I can't wait to taste mine.
Indeed. And that is it for my video. Thank you for baking Valentine's stuff with me. My strawberry jello shot covered in chocolate turned out really good. I can't wait to eat them. And make sure...
But we can't eat them.
No, their strawberries are right here. It's all done. Nice and hard.
Those are ours.
Yeah, but you guys can't have them till dinner. So
Yeah.
make sure you guys give this a big thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button.
God, it's so good.
Yeah. Have a nice day, y'all. Happy Valentine's Day.